Start to the carry quarrel God they give your husband. If you want, make that man really get that name where they call her. Woman, wait till make you be the woman. Tie up. You know if you say you love children, even though you don't love the man, as far as says your husband. Thank you, mama, for the gift. As far as says your husband, you carry as the crown. If they help you, I never see you. The boss say your husband, they carry children go school every day. How many women go do that thing? We are not for good now, so for no still bad. Some place where my own for good, you're all not good for there. You're all for good, my own not good. I don't say my husband they carry children go school, but not be every time because they change duty. Now when he get time when he not work that duty, like this week night, day night, he go help me. Now because I bought sometimes I go do everything. You feel complain, no, they help you, don't they do, and now you the praise her. All of us come, they say, I thank God, though, your husband don't change. Waiting, thank you, mama. Waiting, they be the thing where they push you, be the person where they push you. Can't do this thing, yeah, Nora. One day you must confess this thing, they tell you today. One day. This thing where if that thing's up, you can't say, now this person you tell me, say, can't do this thing. It almost happened to my marriage, I use wisdom wrong. Even though person they push you, use your tongue, count your teeth. You go look the person where say they do it for you. Who they advise you look and look your life whether not the same. You go fair look at how the person take day where you come and say every time. Now you they give all those women room to your husband. Yes, I will use my foot chest talker. Now wait till I say I talk. You to the extent you there as your husband go join women meeting. You know how Satan I go join. Out there as my husband go join. Wait till my husband come see for women meeting. Then you come and make the man not be but now water dead the man body. Now water dead the man body. If you tell her say babe the girl call her if the not carry the challenge of the meeting wanna or you do video take one man stay away from your husband he go run. But you dey applaud them now. You know they disgrace people where you support they disgrace. Now your husband where they climb you, where they be the crown. Now you they can't disgrace. If the woman they disturb your husband, tell her, if you tell her for call, do video. Tell her, say, man, I've been tell this. I know Enogie fans, I know your fans now. They go in comment section, go one, even they go enter inbox. They go one and say, stay away from Enogie and your husband. You there, your husband go join women meeting. Now I be their leader. You know approval. Okay, where women there, so fine, girl. You know, say those guys now. Wait till you don't carry their feet carrier. Some of them go born 10 children, you not go know for their body. Not like us when we go born, our body go come outside until we go they do diet. Not be blood in your husband body. So if you want peace in your home, learn to control that peace. Learn to know what is good, what is not good. Not be your clap who finish. If you can't sup, you can't make and feel saying only your husband they wrong. You are the pillar to your home. Just they happy say God they protect those children. They happy. You get health problem, not be waiting person they pray for. Social problem, not be waiting person they pray for. Every day they go they report you, not be waiting person they pray for. I don't know about your city. So case there, they go say me you go clean am before you renew your paper. So try and change from that one. And you are more Bliss. Your toto shall never know no peace until you learn how to keep in one place. Your toto shall never know no peace until you learn how to come out eye for people's husband. Oh yodo. Some people they say, oh don't be. I think say you they stay has the money they fall up. Not be the lie you take go toast Enogie, now lie you take go toaster. Oh yodo. Now you be. May I still remain Nora. And you see now say another, so I'll still be that girl. You remember when Mama T happened, you can't say, you know if you fight for man, you know if you do this to you, God forbid. You know they see the pain now. You can't go even join husband snatcher, they call single mother. You know they see the pain now. The man not even sleep with the girl. He pain you rich boy. Now so it still big person snatch person husband. Now, so it still be if person abandon children for mother, where the mother turn to single mother. So wait till una no go fit take. Make una no ever come and they mock anybody where they that situation. That's why you can never see me mock single mother. Even though you mention some. I see yesterday they say, instead of me to be in that marriage, I better remain a single mother. This is single mother are the people you are joining husband snatcher where in life don't taba. When that one adulterous woman, you join and go the course. So you understand what it feels for a woman. When man go abandon freaking for the new wife for go they curse him. Me, I not say you know, everybody not say you know fit take her. You supported that husband snatcher to the core that day. Cause they insult everything. You were clapping. You have seen it now. Why are you not crying? Not be say now just online cheat. He cheats on you now. You feel the pain. Wait till I know fit take. I can never pray for another woman who support. Bill you out to me. If you do that nonsense, I wipe you off. That not me. I'm a street person. If you know you be like this, not near me. Only cheating now. I see your pain this morning. That is how other women still feel pain. That is how that single mother they feel pain. You don't know what made them to be a single mother. Most of the single mother, less than 95% of them, they never plan to be in such situation. So you don't go and dress somebody where single mother better pass. Since when this mama team matter happen now? You know they see him. You carry platform, you they cause that woman. Enogie move on. But look at you today. What you have never experienced, don't just be in that situation and be mocking the other person that is experiencing it, because nobody knows tomorrow. This is why I always tell people. You feel her now. No woman go there make woman cheat on her. Man cheat on her. You know you talk of say you want to go change country. Go for big party, you can't go another country. Then you did you and your husband did together. Before you go another girl, come they carry belly for the man. Come and they cost you. How will you feel? Now so husband snatcher say do that woman where go still get might come and they cause the woman and her children, not be the woman children. How do you feel? Bliss, why should you come outside? Don't settle you Nora. I don't tell her the main point. If she go learn, me she learn. She want saga, me she come. I know they run for saga. I feel no answer because I me call her. If he call, they continue the saga. But say now he reply, I will lose na pain. Like not be persuaded they don't correct, but I will continue. If I see say the quarrel, I will continue saying it. He no go beat me, no call my mouth. Na mouth to talk. Yeah, I'm not scared. Say he go come. That's so I be. We respect our communication. We respect our talk when we don't talk. But this one, Nora, we cannot be continue telling you at the back and you are doing it at the front. Bliss, eh? You wake up. You come to play music. Come to play music. May we enjoy. Today is Monday. Let's go to enjoy. And they yet now say, oh, where you they say you they follow me friend. And you tell Enogie made a movie and oh, I don't know Nora. This one where you talk so I don't know. I not did there. Say me remove and oh for this thing, but we not see proof. What make you sit down now? Now make they cover my husband with the precious blood of Jesus. All those hunters. All those that didn't way. Now grant for doing and they say you they say, okay, now I know they talk. Really? Oh, I go there. And they say you they talk say we were brought up in a very nice home. If you brought up in a very nice home, you can never try what you tried. You not go try yeah. As my mama just hot rich, my mama not become person. You go there husband house. You say na shower you go do for husband. They call return you go meet all this kind of thing happen. My mama go use bloom flog you. That toto when not they let you keep you go put pepper even though you don't big. I'm telling you. Not the thought say you came from a responsible home, a Christian home. Now you go toast Enogie with lion. Yes, so now you go toast Papa Nora with lion shower. As he just they do that thing, he go come they dance. This guy go sit down, they use the bola size of the bola for trousers they wet. If you are shago, now so husband snatch I want to collect my husband where I drive and say I not do French decay. Una go see person husband. No, man, I know say your husband old. Now me with the talker. All those old men know the kind of woman what they carry. Una go married Zion finish. Una come carry una toto the fine young boy. When marry young woman, una come scatter ho yodo. Ugbeo. You and your husband go settle. That means you did one before. He born for you, you not born for her. If your husband carry you come abroad and to come they sleep around, you not see your boy, you not see single father way foot it, or you say I know the way there with your wife. You say I know the way there with your wife. Now you want to use line on toast. If I collect your money where? Then you can't give her money, give her money. He not agree put bola for you, may you see the size. Now you can't say, hey, you can't stay away from her. Oh, who no Enogie, not this media, both TikTok or Facebook. You can't tell say you don't know Enogie. Who don't know Enogie, not there. You can't claim say you don't know say na so it be. Now God go punish your toto. Your toto will not get regard. Now God go bend her. E dini we obia shawo. Not the thought say you get family again. Will you get family now? See everywhere, go media, go everywhere. Now I saw everybody they post you. Come on, fit I must see your real face. Whether you the bleach, we don't know. As I even look the girl, not too tall. He not too tall. You not so tall with the no. No be say your belly flat pass here Nora. Your face not fine passing. It be like say here Nora no go do nyash for Tokyo. Your nyash not too big. Wait till you see. More na come out for people husband. Not be person say you not carry my way pricking on the stand again. May Bola no they stand again. No call they find young man where they with the family on a scatter hunters. Husband hunter shawo. More na leave people husband alone. And that I say no je talk. He say una many for your inbox. He say una many. He say he remain too. Husband snatch a road that me I not see your name for there. You know say pardon on you take the start. Road that me I not see your name for there. Because abomination. It be a girl on a family, both your mama and your siblings. May we not catch husband snatcher for there. May we not catch her. If we catch you for there, if it's up, I go saga Papa Nora. I no agree. I'll saga where? For that time, I no agree. Because we don't tell you say, na dini wewe that they call her for Esa. Husband snatcher is a dini wewe. Idene janya, ekwe wa meke oya shawo no. May we not see her because you say remain two women. And all these two women, and maybe here that come. You see, they say, they'll see they come out, they follow you different. You see, they'll put it. Now you go see the judge your husband give such people. Pardon, if we hear and see say this one now they cause Adi. Pardon, now we never know. Nora, we never know. Now make I say, carry your hand, carry your house, enter house, build your home. I not come in peace today. Now peace is I take come out for you. Because if they want enter your husband, I true you because they know say once a pardon more enter now. That one now over there. You know say he get degree for sleeping with people husband. They talking with full chest. That kind of person now they near your husband. More now listen now. Tomorrow that one quarter because you know still come and call they cry say husband not tell her. If I hear and hear I go saga you join your husband that time. I go drag you and your husband that time. Because you say any woman when 3 people, 4 people don't tell me say he won't get great. I don't even know what he want married to my condemn my husband. He go concern my husband. More now give me gift now the topic not the sweet. Now I want follow do friend, you not go possible. Your husband say remain too. And your husband now, if he don't hold this guest now, they not go feel leave him. If they come, go come. And not John, you be like saying fair play, because this game of the chat where I come to see so to the extent I'm come to tell and they say put my video for your. You get one way I see for TikTok. Na blogger carry. You come to tell Papa Nora say put this my video for your story. Hey, yeah, you be just the happy say that they call you 001 wife. That 001 where they call you Nora, now they hungry you. Now they hungry you. For UK, you come de flabate. As you de flabate, you come de knock past your husband. And no Jenna, that period every day wife they talk, you no go hear when you no go hear too. Man, I see the write up now. The blogger post it be like say I don't know put her for story for TikTok. He come they tell the man say make he poster. Ashawo, yashawo. I know they support nonsense. Now me they carry my food choice. They cause man not shashawo. As I do as man, if you know say I do as man has they troll like my enemy. Holy Ghost fire. We know they don't have our family. Make can't talk. See the girl. He say, now Papa Nora can't respond to her. The girl can't write her. See the video where he sent for her. Wait me I remove background. Mona see this some Obia shawo. Before I go enter all of you. I no put am for this phone. See am. He can send person husband video, make he go put am for his story. This one they cut and come. Even get one where you say I love you. See am. Now, just to remind you how much I love you, can't even they proclaim love, give person. Omo the Oloshosho, you can't they proclaim love, give person where get papa, get mama. Then you can say, can you post this on your story, please? The man can't reply. Mona they see. How they tell you? No, if I keep reposting on your story, no. Now I must say, I know you do. Now the man say he love her, but he delete some chat for you if you wise. The man just play along. They carry face, they lick tongue. If they carry fit, I know they can say this life don't finish. He don't see wife now. He can't even they promise me according to they say he want go born 2 twins for you. They now can say if you're there with this one, he don't get Jama and UK citizen now. He don't get and finish. Then you know that carry the everything. If the person carry you can't they laugh. May don't give a one. You know that don't. If you don't give a one money go on one lion, you know that don't so give the person. Yeah, you say you I say you know that person wait guy now before he marry. So why all these things they come from? Why you cannot control your home? Not because they control for outside. Why you cannot bring peace to your home? Yes, so it get you call the guest say stay away from my husband. If una they do show, go on the show, go they donate money put for there. No, they call a private. Wait till reach private chat. If you want love me, TikTok is a very free thing that you can come and discuss. Except is a private something. And if now you woman talk, call my wife. Put down that thing for your husband. This thing. Since 12 now they do me there. There are some people that will come to you. If now man talk, may go tell your husband. Now you go present and give your husband. More talk this show. No be saga you want to present, give him. Now the armor can say thanks daddy, zaddy. You know this kind of money go they call your husband. Ugbeo, Oswo. You know they call your husband zaddy. And not they can say people might notice. So you can't even they do. And not they play along. They even the friend online lovey. Yes. He said if he post this guy, say people will notice and say he post this guy for his story. You know what made they drag the guy. And I do not want you to be dragged. Look at it here. Now the guy say, okay, Zaddy. Omo. He not too tall. He not I go talk past you. Please don't let our love be an entertainment. Now you they beg for the love. See him. This Bliss Omo now. He called the post and say, me no je not let the love be entertainment. No nah. You know they come answer and say no nah. Oh now this one bust you not head. He not go bust your head finish. Since now every fowl, every lizard where he come, now you want the drag enter your home. All those one where their life don't flabate. All those one where their life don't taba. Now you want the drag enter your home. Then when the quarrel go, they come, you can't let your husband come the shot. No go build your foundation where. You suppose they respect that name where they give your husband. Say see oh. And after that one, may I just the brief and I don't know I want it. Aisha where it there inside. Aisha, come here, come. The way where you take the brag with waiting that they call. I will go and sue you. Man, first of all, my people, which country Aisha they? May I know if not this country? May I tell now they waka? Which country she there na Germany? You don't the tell go you say look at how to dress. I see the dress, it be like Yoruba dress, me. All those Yoruba made that they say boba rapper. Okay, Aisha de Germany. Aisha, you say you register with your company. What till you tell them say they do for the company? How many things you register with the company? We start. And wait till you tell them. Your Esther app, come. This Aisha partner, if you come answer me, I will just finish your business with proof. No, if you go there. I'm not a regular. I'll just carry your name, your brand, to that task record and just go give finance amps. Because you yourself and me know what we they talk now. All this your waka for here. Aisha na person, I know, see, that girl go they lie. He dead body. You see that Aisha? Oh, baby, you see that Aisha where he dey? You, oh, baby, where you be? Any person where they waka from one platform in boss to another platform in boss, no say na liar. Talk for here, talk for here. But the way they catch you for this TikTok, we go so position you for here. The threat where they give una, when they tell Goya say, I will do that, I will sue you. Goya, if you give you any sue, send and give me. May I go help you reporter. May I tell government, wait, microbreeding. Take join in industry where they talk. How many things you register for finance act, Aisha? Where you know let people hear what they get, you don't go to carry juju. No bell wagbon. Which of juju you got to tell the threats Goya? Only if Goya they do try, they say many people for there they talk say you chop their money. You chop wait to open TikTok shop they had again. They send me the notification. You just need your task number. How do you get your task number? You arrange what you want to do. Go to start your state. They get where they call her now state designer. Kind of zone. I don't know what to call it of English. Carry and go there. Tell them that this is what you want to do. They will give you the form. You pay 25 euro. Let me tell you, you list what you're going to do. And if it suits them, you tell them where you are importing your stuff and everything. They will not give you that paper. You take it to finance aunt. Then finance aunt will ask you what you want to do. Aisha, where online business come turn to what you tell the threatening people. Jamie, where they never agree approve Facebook. Facebook as they pay reach that time. They never approve and may be permanent work. The online marketing, now they want to approve when you tell the threatening people, Aisha. I've been a no visit the total. As Facebook pay reach that time, you cannot use that tax to say you, maybe the whole family. They know the Facebook, you know they read for Jamie. Like UK. Then you call they use, you're gonna send you link. Okay, they can ask you, Aisha, excuse me, sir. What do you want to register? You contact them. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. I'm going to give them the link. The link. I go to this school. Aisha, which school you go for, Jamie? Which school of TikTok? TikTok, there, Jamie, where they teach people how to open online TikTok. Eh? Well, you know, let people hear what they get. Any platform you go defend the talk. Hey, now so you can come on, shut up. No use the Enogie cover content. They do not sense for this TikTok. Online business, when I do so, they take all my money. I just say you want to sue people. Go sue people. Go sue them for your people where they collect money. Which receipt? Who give you the audacity say you collect money, you share them with people? Which proof you get to? If they go report you, give government. What do you want to prove yourself? Give job center or the finance amt or anything. Do you know what you are doing? If you talk off for me, I just need to read receipt. Me, I take go donation you. Go give finance amt. Just enter. As you just they do your thing, we know everything. Not they use account, they brass say no level. Those where the farm go carry them as mugu, since they no get sense, they no sabi read and write. No, they use that threaten anybody again. Enter us. Enter us, me I'm a bucky. If na saga, I'll put your platform, make they don't know you for saga. Me with the digger. Enter us. Not let you go your platform. Not let you go Esther platform. Not let you go Enogie platform. So because you go Enogie platform, person no about talk again. Who are you? Who you chopping money no about? Oh, so if you chop Enogie, come tell you say why they talk. Aisha, who are you? I say man, you post wait till you tell register that business. Make I see whether what you say they do there inside. Post it. This is what I do. My business is registered. What I did not register there, I cannot bring it out and take it from people. You submit your pay slip. Submit it to the authority every month or 3 months. You fill your EKS. I be AKS now I call her, but EKS of English. So what are you trying to prove to TikTok people? When you don't let people hear what they go, I may but chop and down. I no one hear that threat where they threaten go here again. I no one hear her. If you chop people money, no now open a platform. Sagara. If you know return her money. Until you let her to be professional in what she's doing. I never see person where really bridge a new business. Anybody go call complain, go quickly enter their inbox. Hey, let me see who are you. You are 419, messing what you do. Mommy Esther enter Goya that day when they watch Enogie and Goya that day. I say you never quick and even come up for the show. You couldn't enter inbox. That means what you are doing is really truth. Why are you claiming right over there? Go there's so much juju. Wait till they worry now. If you as a content creator or whatever they call you, Wait till I want color. You be person. As I then I get my fans. You don't want to be drag. You don't go enter Facebook my comment section, they comment. Anywhere where they talk, you know they climb up. As far as say you date TikTok, you be army, but they go drag you. Yes. If you not mind your business, they go drag you. Any way they call you take and you carry yourself to that extent. The other woman say he climb up, he will do go here this, madam. Waiting no be you know that you carry him. As far as say you near the person they post you. You only tell the guy, drop my picture, I don't like this. The way you talk to people matter, not be you come they brag, I'll carry it go juju. If you juju this day now, you don't already say go here that day. You say you have never mentioned her name, but that day you were mentioning her name. So if una want me una hide una self, make una come on una self for where saga day. Nobody says she not support Enogie, but when the saga between you and somebody, no when to climb up, no when not to climb up. Madam, if na me anything where you climb, you they talk every day for the same saga where with the exchange, I go have to join her. That is saga for you. Woman wait does man so na dey find Enogie to follow do French. Comment, give him his gift. Mona stay away for personal friendship. All of una when I even do as my house now where they near Enogie. Mama Nora support drive una for a body. Una not be sent. You guys are not sent. Una not be sent. If you want to support, go there. Me and they watch them, right? If you want to share, share. Give them the gift. This will not be private gift. Give them outside. People go, they go thank you for that. More than start to they do private friendship with married man. Una be enemy to ye Nora. Una no get husband for us. No, na puna husband for us. Abi na the man puna for us. Married woman go live in family. He when I carry you. Nobody say you should not support Enogie. Me na come out for private chat with married man. Supporting me if foundation na outside. He show na outside for talk. I'm on start to the go in boss. Married man na he be. Then if una go down boss, una go come from there they greet his wife. From there problem go come they come. He not go suspect una. Husband snatchers everywhere. Husband snatchers everywhere. As I call the husband after they do presenter. Man go come carry for they call me for privacy. Waiting one time me make it right time. If I don't say he warrants me to come outside, he will come outside. I go read them. I don't need to give you my number. Make you come, they call me, they do re. Now son I tell they come later now you say I don't know is that Joyous. I don't know that is that Nora is. These people they beat Ogbama Wese. More na face on husband all those anti-gwes. Anti-gwes. Make una face una marriage. If you want to support anybody, support them when they're in public doing their show. If you have anything to tell them, write them. I don't know all this up and down. Anyway, God will bless you. Leave them. As far as you involve yourself, they will drag you. Yes, so now be saga. If you don't want put body, no put body. All those of you want they carry come for saga. It's not really worth them. So anybody can join the show right now. Now wait till I can't talk to you. Who say no like wait till I talk. You say now saga, you won't carry my picture. My picture there everywhere before. My name is Joyous Mommy. If you just type Joyous Mommy, you'll see me everywhere. You dey hear so? I know the fear. If you come for me, I see say you stop. Be you can't dey talk or they drink water every minute. Or you can't breathe go up. Make sure you get strength. I feel talk for now to 3 hours. I know drink water. Make sure say you get strength too. Saga not be anybody may we dey respect ourselves. But the truth must be said. What is all this? Jay, my love.
Morning, Joyous. Good morning. Abi good afternoon.
Good morning.
How baby now?
You there with your papa? I said
Me, my ocean I want talk. That I shall make you rest, make you focus on the
no
this
manner.
thing. I don't want to fall in business, so but make you focus on what they do. If you see people register, make you manage, make you stop. If you want saga, make you stop that thing. Go do saga. Me will not say na saga in they do.